Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a 1969 Camaro Z28. It's a real DZ car. X77, finished in Tuxedo black. With the current owner for over 30 years. Absolutely stunning car. Power steering, power disc brakes, smog. Just gorgeous. Snowflake there. It's got all the right tower clamps, shielding. Just a beautiful car. X77. X77 shouldn't have the wheel moldings or this molding here, but it was added for aesthetic purposes. I think it looks great. Can always be removed. Gorgeous, like new interior. Tilt wheel, 4-speed, AM/FM. Gorgeous, inside and out. Showing 71,317 miles. Wood wheel. It's fantastic. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.